I keep on breaking this fucking bike. That better be here when I come back. Performance baggers, man, they're so much fun, but then you break them and then they get expensive. But yeah, so what happened was there's a throwout bearing in there, and apparently I grenaded that shit and friction welded my shaft together. So that's why my clutch decided to stop working on me, gentlemen. Now we're back, and it's got a better rerouted thing. I like the little zip tie they have right there. I appreciate that. These guys always take care of me. Ouch. Okay, yeah, we're good. I'm not gonna be getting, I will be getting crazy. Fuck it, I need this bike back so damn bad. Stupid fucking hoe out here breaking my shit because the bike's not used to having a passenger. And I feathered the fuck out of the clutch. And then she left me for a fucking teenager. What the actual fuck, man? Oh well. At least I'm not seeing a groomer anymore. Out here on some fucking pedophile shit. He's mature for his age. Yeah, you sound like a fucking Epstein client, man. There's a man saying that they'd be crucified because it's a woman. No harm, no foul or some shit, right? Oh man, I missed this bike. I have to get re-used to riding it though. Like my body mainly, because like I ride sport bikes when my Harleys are down, so, or a sport bike. It's more the fairing with the wind and where it pushes up and over, because it catches me in the helmet a little bit on top. It's not bad, it's just you gotta get used to it. Talking this whole time. I'm supposed to be talking. Fuck. I'm motovlogging, not fucking bullshitting. Or, you know, riding to ride. No, I'm kidding. I always ride to ride. I like riding so much. Well, I'm going to turn off up here and I'll open her up a little bit. Y'all hear the masterpiece that is a built 107. My front turn signals are working right now. Hopefully the rest of them are. Shabby for like third or fourth gear, huh? I do need to put steel bushings in these bars though, because they shake a lot when I take my hand off. They got polyurethane in them right now from when I had apes. And I prefer my steel bushings on bars like this with bikes like this. It is genuinely just personal preference too. Like I know a lot of people wouldn't care about this, but it bothers the hell out of me. Ooh, they got nice cars there.
way better suspension on this thing so I can actually like slalom it like I do the Dyna. Not a big fan of OEM anything. I mean, shit, this is a Road King and I don't look like a Road King other than this fucking chrome nacelle down here. Gauges up here, I had them out for it, and I'm hyped for that. Yeah, I don't think that front one works. As long as my back ones work, that's all I really care about. I can see what's going on in front of me, but the ones in behind me, no, I don't really see them at all. To have this bike down to bike time, but I also know that what I was doing is probably for the best that this wasn't down at bike time. Would have overheated very fast. About to be more if I could get over now instead of jamming the goddamn brakes like a fucking cunt wagon. Woo! Call the video here, but I am going to leave the camera rolling in case something happens. Just glad to have the fucking bagger back, man. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was going to try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm going to shout this guy out. He's going to have no fucking idea who the hell I am.